Hello, today we will guide you through how to create a bundle on Vinted. If you want to buy more than one item from the same seller, creating a bundle is a simple way to group those items together before checkout. This can make the process more convenient and may also help you review everything in one place before you buy. To begin, go to the Vinted website. Once the homepage is loaded, browse to the item you want to start with and open that listing. In this example, we're selecting a sample item, but you can choose any listing you're interested in as long as it's from the seller you want to buy from. When you're on the item page, look for the Create Bundle option and click it. This tells Vinted that you want to combine this item with other items from the same seller, rather than purchasing it on its own. It's a useful feature if you've found multiple things you'd like to buy together. After that, you'll be taken to the seller's bundle page. Here, you can choose another item to add. Click on another sample item from the same seller to include it in the bundle. Take a moment to make sure you're selecting the correct item, since your bundle will include everything you choose at this stage. Once you've added the items you want, click Review Bundle. This opens the bundle summary where you can check that all selected items are included. Reviewing the bundle is an important step because it gives you a chance to confirm the contents before moving ahead. If something doesn't look right, this is the best time to go back and adjust it. When everything looks correct, continue by clicking Buy, or simply follow the on-screen checkout process shown by Vinted. From there, you'll complete the purchase the same way you normally would, including reviewing the total cost, delivery details, and payment information. As a quick tip, bundles only work for items from the same seller, so if you want to combine purchases, make sure each item belongs to that one account. It's also a good idea to double-check sizes, descriptions, and item condition before finalizing the order. That's all it takes to create a bundle on Vinted. Once you've reviewed your selection and completed checkout, your bundled purchase will be on its way.